Hi, Francesco. How's it going, man?
Everything is great. How are you?
I'm very good, man. Welcome to session
All right.
104.
Yes, 104. Welcome, everybody. Hope you're doing okay. We are challenging our English from basic levels to advanced levels. So stay with us, like the videos, and subscribe to our channels if you haven't already. Today, we want to talk about sports and exercise. It's a very nice topic
Yeah, very nice.
because, yes, because we like sports and we exercise every day. Well, I exercise 3 times a week. But I guess you, Mr. T, you exercise every day. Is that right?
Yes, yes, I exercise every day for healthy.
Nice. Very good. So before we start, let's talk about sports and exercises that we already know in English. Sports and exercises that we already know in English. So what sports or exercises do you know? Can you tell me, please?
All of sport is exercise, yes?
I guess, for example,
Basketball, baseball, gym.
like for example, basketball. Basketball is my favorite sport. Basketball. It's a sport, but it's not an exercise. But
Yes.
maybe aerobics. Aerobics is an exercise. It's not a sport. It's
Gym
just an exercise.
and gym is exercise.
Yes. Going to the gym is exercise. What else?
What else? Soccer is a sport
Exactly. Soccer.
and tennis is a sport.
Yes. Tennis is a very nice sport. Okay.
Ride a bike is a exercise.
Riding a bike, yes, is a kind of exercise. Bike or bicycle.
Working out
Work out.
and running is a exercise.
Running is an exercise. Very good. Okay, so this is a good list of sports and exercises. Today we want to learn 3 types of exercise and sports in English. Let's take a look. Part one, building vocabulary. Well, we have this part about different sports and exercises. There are 3 categories: number one, number two, and number three. Before we start to listen, there's one thing that you should know. In English, we have 3 types of sports. Some sports that have play. Okay, the verb of this sport is play, like basketball. Play, we say play basketball, or play soccer, play volleyball, play tennis. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is type number one, tennis, etc. Some sports, the verb that we use is do. Okay, for example, do yoga, or do karate, or do kung fu. Okay, so these are sports that we use with do. Some sports are verb. It means we don't use do or play, we just use them as they are, like run. Run is a verb, or maybe swim. Okay, so these are verbs. Or you can say go running. Go plus verb plus ing. Or maybe you can say go swimming. Okay, so you can either say run or go running, swim or go swimming. That's how we use it in English. Now, in this part, we want to listen to these sports. Can you see the full picture? Is it
A
clear?
little zoom out. Yes, yes, fixed. It's fixed.
Okay. Okay, good. Now we want to listen. I want to play the audio. Please listen to each sport and practice the pronunciation. Let's listen.
Page 68. Lesson B. Sports and exercise. 1. Building vocabulary. A. Listen and repeat the sentences.
They're playing basketball.
He shoots. He scores.
They're playing football.
Blue 32. Blue 32. Hut, hut, hike.
They're playing volleyball. Set. They're doing aerobics. Now with arms and 1, 2, 3, 4. They're doing weight training. They're doing karate. They're bowling. They're running. They're biking. Turn right.
Okay. So we heard the sports with the pronunciation and also the sound of the sports. Which of these sport is your favorite?
My favorite volleyball and biking.
Nice, yes. I like basketball and I like running. Yes, I like these two sports. Well,
Sorry, weight training is mean here.
okay. First,
They-
let's look at the picture.
they
Weight
are-
training is a
They are
is a
in the
sport.
gym.
Yes, they are at the gym and they are doing weight training. Like when they do weight training to work on their body and do bodybuilding, that's weight training. Okay. In the next part, we have this chart that we want to complete about ourselves. We have I often, I sometimes, or sometimes I, and I never. So for me, I say I often go running and I sometimes play basketball. I never go biking. How about you? Can you complete about yourself?
I usually uh, go biking. I sometimes do judo. I never play soccer.
All right, well, okay, very nice, good to know. Thank you very much. So guys, please tell us in the comments which of these sports is your favorite. You can take a quick look or maybe take a screenshot. Tell us which of these sports is your favorite and how often do you do it? And what sport you never do. Tell us in the comments and we'll be happy to read them. Thanks for supporting us and see you in the next session. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.